If you have difficulties to edit PDFs, then in this video I teach you how to edit PDFs easily and quickly for free by using the website called sejda.com. You can also download the PDF without watermarks for free. So let's dive into the video. At first, open your Chrome browser. Search sejda.com. The link is also in the description, so check it out. You don't have to sign in to edit PDFs, but you can only edit 3 PDFs per hour. If you need more, then upgrade to premium. I'm okay with these free features. Now click edit a free document and click the upload file button. Select the PDF that you want to edit. I have a sample PDF for this video, so I select this. You see, this is the interface of the PDF editor. Now you can change the text that are included in the PDF. For example, you see how I change the names of the PDF now. For example, I change the company as sejda. For example, I say this is my company. You can also adjust like this and select the month. Okay. Now I change marketing proposal as annual report. I change name here as James for the sake of the video. I change CEO for example. You can also change website, like for example I type as sejda.com. You can also insert a new blank page by click here and you can also delete the page by click here. You can add text by clicking wherever you want, like this. You see, We can add link like this. Click link button and select the area. Select the area wherever you, you paste a link. You can add various types of symbols and patterns by using forms. You can also insert images by using images option. Select the image in your file manager. The main feature of this PDF editor is you can put your sign by using sign option. Write your name and select which font that's similar to your handwriting. You can also add shapes by using shapes option. For example, I choose rectangle and select to decorate this. I select this. You can also change the color of this rectangle. I put purple color. After edited, click apply changes. And click download button. After that, check your edited PDF file whether your edited parts are included. Now go to your file manager and check whether the edited parts are included in the PDF or not. You see, my file doesn't miss a single part that I edited. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Comment what tech video do you want next. See you in the next video. Goodbye.